Hi everyone, welcome back to Cam's Toy Box. Here I am today with Guy Diamond, and we have surprises for you. We have 6 Trolls Blind Bags from Series 2, and then we have this super cool chocolate surprise egg with Poppy on it. So let's get opening and see what's inside. Here's our first blind bag. And here's the flyer with all the trolls you can collect in Series 2. What do we get inside? I know who this is. This is Harper. And she just loves to paint. Look how messy she is. She paints with her hair, so she has all these pretty paint colors in her hair. She is just a cutie. Oops. And this is Moxie Dewdrop. I just love all her pink hair. So cute. Oh, and who's in here? Oh, this is that little sleeping troll. I still don't know if this one has a name. But I know she looks very, very cozy and very, very peaceful with her eyes closed. Very, very cute. And I knocked over Moxie. Oh, they just keep falling with all their hair. Let's see who's next. I see purple. Oh. This is one of those fuzzburt looking ones. With all the purple hair and no face and no body, just these little feet. You see those? Very, very cute. Who's next? Oh, I see red hair. Oh, there's this guy. I just love this one. I love that bright, bright red hair. It matches his little nose. I just love these trolls so much. Okay, and our last blind bag in Series 2. What do you think it's going to be? We didn't get any matches, so hopefully they're all different. We got a match. It's Moxie Dewdrop again. And there she is. Okay, now I'm super, super excited about this. This is our Trolls Poppy chocolate surprise egg. What do you think's inside there? Let's open it up and check it out. Now, I never opened one of these before, so let's see how hard they are to get into. Pretty hard. I might need the scissor. Let's see. Let's try the scissor. There we go. Get some of that seam off. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, look at that. There's a poppies on the inside, on the front of the chocolate egg. Oh, I love that. Can you see that? Do you see Poppy there? She's like etched into the egg. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have a lot of chocolate to eat. That's all right, I love chocolate. Do you see that, Poppy? Oh, I love it. Okay, let's give it a squeeze. Oh, that. Oh, and we have a surprise. Oh, look, it's a keychain. And it's Poppy inside. Oh, that is so cool. Now I can take Poppy with me everywhere I go. Look how pretty she is. Oh, I love it. That is just too cool. I'm super excited. All right, awesome. That's it for surprises today. As always, thanks for watching Cam's Toy Box. And don't forget to subscribe for more toys and surprises every day. I'll see you soon. Bye.